Madam Chair, my First Amendment adds an additional guideline the Department must examine when developing their comprehensive strategy to secure the border. Specifically, under my amendment, DHS must, as part of their strategy, determine how to best keep terrorists and terrorist weapons from crossing our borders and entering our country. Nearly 12 years after 9/11 and in the aftermath of the Boston bombing, we must not forget that the Department and this committee was established in the wake of a terrorist attack, and our mission has not changed. Part of this mission is to employ robust border security to ensure that terrorists and weapons of mass destruction do not enter the country. My amendment makes sure that this core mission of preventing terrorists and instruments of terrorism is not overlooked as the Department prepares its strategy that will eventually be submitted to Congress. Madam Chair, my Second Amendment is very simple. It adds 3 words to the definition of operational control. Specifically, the bill currently calls for an effectiveness rate of 90%. My amendment changes that to no lower than 90%. This makes clear to DHS that this committee and the Congress firmly believe that 90% effectiveness is the floor, not the ceiling, when striving for a secure border. While the bill calls for 90%, I think everyone on the committee can agree that DHS should be striving for 100% border security every single day. This simple 3-word amendment makes that clear. My 2 amendments will strengthen Homeland Security as a whole because border security is Homeland Security. We must ensure anti-terrorism measures are taken into account in our border security strategy, and we must raise the bar on what's acceptable control of our border. My amendments accomplish both of these critical objectives. Thank you, Madam Chair, and I yield back the balance of my time.
I think that